So the grind don't stop, according to Cicely. ATC on top, according to Cicely. Gotta drop some drops, according to Cicely.
Take a bite.
If you like that shirt, subscribe, do that for Cicely.
We're gonna spend like $450. She's gonna spend $450 today, and we're only trying to get ketchup and croutons and Oreos.
Don't believe the hype. What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. Today's collab is called Baking with the Kiddos. It's hosted by Ms.Amechi and Just Being Sierra. So make sure y'all go ahead and check the link down in the description box. All right, let's get to it. Got ready to make our video and realize we are missing some ingredients. Caden, can you tell them the ingredients we're missing? Don't tell them what we're making. Tell them what we don't have.
Ketchup.
And what else?
I don't remember.
Croutons. So we are sneaking out of the house to run to Walmart because we don't have ketchup or croutons or Oreos.
Yeah, we kind of need those.
Comment down below if you can guess what we are going to bake.
You'll never know.
What you say, Kaden?
I said you'll never know. Also, I'm in the front seat because I'm obviously 16 as you can see.
We'll catch y'all at Walmart.
We're gonna spend like $450. She's gonna spend $450 today, and we're only trying to get ketchup and croutons and Oreos.
Don't believe the hype. I'm sticking to the budget.
She doesn't. She won't. She never does.
Not on the grocery list.
She never sticks to the budget. Which one?
You gotta be still. You gotta keep your camera still.
Hey guys, we just came to Walmart. Just kidding, we're actually here now, as you can see by the bags.
We definitely bought more than ketchup, croutons, and Oreos. His fault.
I asked for one thing. She got the rest.
He got the bag of bones. Totally unnecessary.
Yeah, and then she got everything else.
When we have like a 42 bag of chips at home. But whatever. So
it's a long list.
78, excuse my ashy hands. $78 later.
Well, that was only 78.
Only 78?
I don't know, it would be.
When we came here for 3 things. All right, y'all. We'll meet y'all back in the kitchen. All right, y'all. So we back from the store, and the first thing we got to do is wash our hands before we start baking. For all those that are new to my channel, hello, my name is Cicely. I'm a disabled mother by way of sickle cell anemia. I have 2 young boys, and I felt it was important to post content just to encourage you all. Look at my son's face. To encourage you all that no matter what life throws your way, you know, you can get through it. If I can make it through hospitalizations and frequent pain crisis, I want to encourage you that you can make it too. You can do it, and we can do it together. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join our family. We'd love to have you. Y'all, we seasoning the heck out of this meatloaf. Okay, I'm just letting my son take over and have a blast. So we're just going to show you the seasonings that we are using.
Are you crying yet?
Oh wait.
What?
Whoever can fill up their container first wins. 3, 2, 1.
What the heck? That was fair.
Look, I gave you this. They still can't see what you can inside.
Oh my God.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta
Mommy won that challenge, of course. Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and do our subscriber shout out. This comment comes from Talia TV. I believe she does recipes on her channel, so make sure you head over and check her out. She wrote, "My kids love Halloween. I enjoyed the haul, sis. You gave me some great ideas and inspiration. Thanks for sharing." Thank you for saying that, and I appreciate your support. Let me know in the comments how we're doing on our meatloaf, girl. All right, y'all, so it's that simple. If you want a subscriber shout out, all you have to do is leave a comment. So Kaden is wrapping up our meatloaf, and we're going to bake it in the oven on 350 degrees.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. I get too drunk and too scared.
So right here, I'm just having Kaden finish up his cornbread. I had so much fun baking with my kids. So thank you again to the host, Ms.Amechi, and co-host Just Being Sierra. You guys make sure you go ahead and check out the playlist so you can see the other ladies' content. If you are still here thus far in this video, leave this emoji in the comments. And while you're at it, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps to circulate my channel throughout YouTube. We are on the road to 2K, guys.
You gotta wait, Whiskey. Wait. There we go.
Get the cookies. Whiskey, get the cookies. Okay, we're gonna cook them. Put it on the pan, Whiskey. Yeah, put it right there. Thank you. Do another one. Sorry. You want to put it on there? You want to take a bite, Whiskey? I'll take a bite. That's pretty bad. Booski. Well, we know which cookie.
Till the grind don't stop, according to Cicely. ATC on top, according to Cicely. Got them drops on drops, according to Cicely. Hit that like, that, share, subscribe, do that for Cicely. On that core, vlogs and more, yeah. 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 According to Cicely.